Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures. It's 2 days after Christmas and we're at Busch Gardens. Okay, so we just rode cheetah hunt right before we filmed our opening. We wanted to get in here and ride it because we know it stacks up, and after we get off, it's at a 140-minute wait, so I'm kind of glad that we rode it. And it was a lot of fun. Ash enjoyed it as well as me.
Super smooth, like 2 thumbs up. I could do it.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It's
But anyway,
the smoothness of it.
that's the entrance. But I think we're gonna go grab some lunch real quick over at the Dragonfire.
Yes.
Yep, we're gonna go over to Dragonfire. So we will see you guys when we get there. All right, see you guys. All right, we have made it over here to the Dragonfire Grill, so we're gonna head on in and see what they've got inside. As you can see, it's kind of a grab-and-go cafeteria style restaurant, and if you turn around behind me, there are plenty of seating back here, and we will show you what we got. So Ash and I got our food with the meal plan, and I got the chicken strips and waffle fries with a giant chocolate chip cookie. Ash got some grapes, and then
Chicken teriyaki and beef and broccoli with noodles.
yep, she went to the Asian part, I went to the chicken part in here, and with our meal plan we get drinks as well. And dessert, yeah, that's our dessert. Yep, everything was on the meal plan. So anyway, we're gonna enjoy and let you know how this is afterwards.
All right, what do you think of the food?
The chicken strips are really good. I tried your teriyaki and your beef, and yeah,
It's terrible.
I can make better teriyaki. The beef wasn't bad; it was edible.
Yeah, more than the
Teriyaki
chicken.
did not taste like teriyaki.
Oh my gosh, it didn't look like chicken teriyaki really. Like it, like the best part of the meal, honestly, is the grapes, and that's pretty sad. So that's what I'm gonna eat most of, and then in about an hour we get to go eat somewhere else. So I think we're gonna hit up the steak smokehouse, yeah, which has got like barbecue and stuff like that.
Some weird smokehouse over by Shikra.
Yes. We may ride Shikra and then do that. Yeah, I like those. They taste like chicken. I mean, but yeah. The only thing I'm going to eat is the grapes, really. I picked around, and it's just lackluster. It literally tastes like theme park food, and that's disappointing because we've been to theme parks that have good food. So, I'm not a fan. Busch Gardens needs to step it up on food, for sure. At least here, in the Dragon House, or Dragonfire Grill. So. Okay.
It was good.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and we actually did have some food last night at the Serengeti. Yeah. At Serengeti House or restaurant there. And it was very good. I actually should have just got pizza because that's how good it was. So. Anyways, this is going to close it out for right now.
Not to deter you guys, just the Asian side of the Dragonfire is bad. The burgers look good in here.
Yeah, the burgers do look good.
Chicken strips are really good. They are above par for theme park food. Pizza, like she said. So don't deter yourself away from here.
But they do have good grapes too. So.
Next time we see you guys, we're probably going to try to get on Shikra.
Yeah.
So see you then.
Bye.
A little tip for getting around the park. If you're going from Dragonfire to Shikra, coming down and making a cut through Zagora Cafe is a quick little shortcut. Nice little tip there for you guys. On the other side of Zagora Cafe, we have Iron Gwazi. It's opening March 2022.
No, I think it's a hybrid, isn't it? Like wood
Yeah.
and steel?
I believe so. There's some wood and then there's some steel as it takes it up there. So yeah, I think it's a hybrid.
I think it's insane.
It is crazy looking. Unfortunately, we won't be here to ride it. Then So anyway, we're gonna make our way to Shikra. So we on our way to Shikra, we stopped off an excursion and we found some shirts. Ash really likes this one here. I kind of do too, because this is the only place we found this design in the park.
And it's stitched in there too.
Oh yeah,
so nice.
The word Busch Gardens is embroidered, and it is $59.99. And they have the Pride Spirit jersey down there. And then we've seen this one all over the park, which it's not a bad design. It's not my style. It's not Ash's style, but it's $55.99. But they've got a lot of cool stuff here. I do like this Guy Harvey shirt also. It is, oh, hey, here's another set. They are $50, but I think if I look right, they're recycled, and I think they're UV resistant.
So Guy Harvey is a painter.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of his artwork in here. But anyways, Guy Harvey is a painter, and a lot of his work is inside here. I think this is the Guy Harvey store. Excursion, yeah. So, so this is probably like the best gift shop we found with like different kind of designs on their clothing. $29.99. There's some more Guy Harvey shirts. So this is like a sweater, or hoodie. It's pretty basic, honestly. It shouldn't be too much, I think, because it's pretty basic. So $49.99. $44.99. And then, so this one's kind of nice. It's like a long sleeve.
It's long sleeve. It's a zipper too.
Yep, and that's the back and the front. So that's kind of nice. And it's $49.99. But out of all the merchandise, this is probably the best that we found here.
This white one. It's very similar to that
Front,
yellow
it's
t-shirt.
got oranges on it, so. Oh, I like this actually. It's really, really soft.
Oh.
It's kind of got that faded look on it.
Mm-hmm.
And then, now this one is $49.99. Ooh, it's got a spot on it though. They didn't
Oh no.
Well,
It's like a burn.
yeah. Good thing I'm not getting that one, I guess.
Yeah.
But yeah, and the back says Busch Gardens Tampa Bay. So. And then you've got quite a bit of cups over here with Busch Gardens on it. And one thing cool about this is they have a pickup, so you can have you don't have to carry everything around, kind of like Disney and Universal. So that's kind of nice feature.
So I mistakenly did not realize that a cut through that we could have taken through Christmas Town was going to be closed off during the day, but we did get to come by Big Bird and Grouch's. Oscar the Grouch, sorry.
Is there anything better than Oscar?
I don't think so, but these topiaries are cool, and they have a whole bunch of these around the park. They have a bird, they have a tiger, they have do they have a lion?
Yeah.
At some point too. So yeah. Yep, they do a great job. All right, well, we made it over to Shikra, and we're getting ready to get on it, but woo, little splashdown action that Ash had to go get a part of. Yeah, we're gonna go ride this thing. This is gonna be awesome.
Oh my gosh, it's cold now.
Okay, here's the entrance to Shikra, and we're about to hop on. So we just got off Shikra, and if you look here, I forgot to mention that it has this fun little drop here that goes beyond 90 degrees. I think it's like an 88 or 89 degree drop. I'm not 100%, but I know it is not 90, it is beyond 90. And the chairs are tiered, so like we were in the second row and you can see over the top, but then it has a nice little pause right there. And I gotta tell you, that was the biggest adrenaline wait ever on that. But we had a lot of fun. So now we are gonna go to
Steakhouse or steak.
not steak. Smokehouse. The Zagora? It starts with a Z. Zamora Smokehouse? I don't know either. I think it's Zamora or Sonora Smokehouse.
It's an African
And
name.
yeah. And we're gonna get us some food there. So, see you then. So it is the Zambia Smokehouse. And here are some of the things that they have on their menu. Of course, they're part of the all dining deal. But they have Texas style brisket, St. Louis style barbecue ribs. I'm probably getting that. Smoked chicken, salad, a kid's meal, and desserts. And of course, they have Coca-Cola products for drinks. And of course, the all-day dining deal, you get an entree, one non-alcoholic beverage, and a side or dessert, as we mentioned before. So we'll get in here and let you know how it is. Another neat thing about this is Shikra goes right over the top of our smokehouse. Okay, so we just finished up getting our food at the Zambia Smokehouse. We each got a Coke. I got the St. Louis style ribs and waffle fries. Ash, you want to tell them what you got?
So I got the sampler, which comes with chicken, brisket, and underneath the brisket is the ribs that like Brady's got, and fries. And then I got grape seed. I've already tried the brisket because I'm starving, but it is so good. Like Bucky's good. So I really like it. It's really moist. But Brady's looking up to make sure this is St. Louis ribs. They are. So we will eat it and let you know how it is.
One real quick tip though, if you notice, my cup here has two smaller cups. What we did is we took some water and, well, we didn't take water. We asked for some water with no ice because our bottles that we have over here in our bag are filled with ice, and we fill them with water every morning, and they've made it for 7 hours before we had to fill one up. So they give you these waters for free. So if you're on the meal plan, ask for some of those, especially if your water is depleted in one of the bottles, and we like share one bottle at a time as we go along, so that way we know how much water that we need to add to it later on. So
and the ice is still there.
Yeah,
that's why we got water. And we
ice
can
is still there for sure.
Our bottles off of Amazon too.
Yeah, we'll link. Well, we can only link her bottle off Amazon. Mine is not available on Amazon. I think it's a side one that we bought from a store. I don't remember where we bought it from. I think we bought it from Home Depot, actually. Yeah. We just kind of saw it sitting there and said, let's just grab it. So anyway, but yeah, we really need to link that, and I think that that's going to call for a possible theme park bag video that we need to make. So we'll do that too. But anyway, that's a little tip, another little tip for you guys. You guys are getting free tips today for Busch Gardens and other theme parks. Okay, so we just finished up eating at the Zambia Smokehouse.
Winner, chicken dinner.
Absolutely. We have a thing for barbecue this week.
Yeah. Florida's figured out Texas barbecue, honestly.
I guess so. And St. Louis barbecue, because I had St. Louis ribs. They were good. St. Louis ribs were good.
I would say the chicken part of my sampler wasn't the best. It was very dry. Actually, somebody took it from me.
Yeah.
And ate it, so.
Yeah. She just was going to throw it away. We were giving somebody our seat, and they were like, oh, are you going to throw that away? He's like, yeah. And he goes, oh, well, just give it here. I'll eat it. And we're like, okay, here you go.
I ate off of it, and he just took it, so.
All right. COVID doesn't matter. We've got Tigress in the background. We may go ride that, but I will say that that's probably going to end our video because we're going to go ride some rides and enjoy our time here. But you do need to stick around for next week because we release our videos weekly, or try to release them weekly as much as I can, depending on schedule. But I do plan to have this one up next week, or this one up as soon as possible. But the one following this next week you need to stick around for. So you need to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you do not miss the holiday lights in the sky, which we're going to film tomorrow night when we come in here, because we have a few days in the park, so don't miss it. So anyway, with that being said,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.